Dog report item! We are under attack!
By a giant robot?
By some weird freaks!
By a weird giant robot freeze!
Okay, yup, definitely a dog report item.
Put him down before I carve out your eyeball! Never see it coming!
Roof him up, Drax!
Can't even scratch that thing!
I am leaning toward Robot Priest over Priest Robot for the dog report! I don't know, but you're definitely missing the word deadly in there somewhere!
This flatnard's sucking up all my shots!
So are we thinking this thing can brainwash people?
I do not feel brainwashed right now! I feel shot at!
Get the point?
What do them weird symbols say?
Definitely not something I recognize. I can barely cut into his armor!
I got you, Drax! I am primed to destroy! I shall break their bones! I find punching flesh much more satisfying!
I don't know. I definitely feel like we're hurting it. That's one big, bad, stunting robot!
Time's up!
Guys, I really want my own robot.
Yeah! I was kind of thinking that!
For future reference, you guys really need to work on your...
Really? We're gonna do this now?
Feels like I've been shooting that big one for hours! Hang tight!
Note to self, try not to die!
Don't mention it! Up you get, big guy! My great strength goes underutilized!
About time!
Pummeling something with skin is
Hey,
infinitely more satisfying!
I don't know. I definitely feel like we're hurting it.
That big
Make
robot
your
is a
peace.
serious problem!
So, is this a robot priest or a priest robot?
Robot Priest has a better ring to it!
Anyone else thinking that we need a robot on our team?
A robot? We barely have room on the ship for us!
We're barely scratching the big thing's paint!
The solution is simple! We must take it
You
out
don't
first!
stand a chance!
Death has come!
Can someone make out the markings on this thing?
I'm a little more focused on the shooty laser bugs right now! This adversary is well fortified!
Fuck yeah! We busted that bot, buddy!
We must tell the dog about the priest.
Robot Priest.
Groot says the mutt's not answering.
Keep trying. The rest of us can focus on figuring a way out.
Really? This is the server room, right? And servers mean data?
I can't just plug servers into my skull. That'll do it.
Well played, Peter Quill.
How am I supposed to know why the pooch ain't picking up? Keep trying.
Dog report item. We have encountered a formidable new enemy, but still no sign of the ghosts.
Okay, so according to the map I saw, Nexus should be just above us.
Shall I throw the rodent?
No!
Come on! Alright, let's look around. Maybe we can find something.
To think, all of this could have been avoided had the rodent not broken the glass.
You're blaming him for that?
His panicked scampering is what caused the final break.
Hey Groot, any luck getting through to Cosmo yet?
Nope, still nothing.
Reception will probably be better once we're on the bridge. Okay, this is it, the command center.
Which I guess makes that the Nexus control terminal.
Fingers crossed we find something useful.
I'm thinking you should do the honors, Quill.
Locked. I wonder, though. Nikki really didn't want her mom to know about this passkey she gave me.
No way is some kid's card gonna bypass the
Then
Nexus.
we're in.
You're kidding.
Well,
Yes! Guys, we're in!
Go to the criminal records, Quill. I want to see my files.
So, Drax's criminal record is pretty big.
I thought there'd be more here. Barely scratches the surface.
You? A gold dome? Over my dead body, buddy.
You know, for a non-spacefaring species, us humans sure get around.
Look.
Why does this guy seem familiar?
Grand Unifier Raker. Wonder what he was looking for in the quarantine zone.
Read it and weep, losers. There ain't a single scam me and Groot haven't pulled off. You name it, we've done it.
Wow, when Kree cops go bad, they really go bad.
Actually, an accuser is the equivalent of a judge, jury, and executioner. Wow, your record's a lot bigger than I expected.
How big were you expecting?
Minuscule.
Another guy from Earth.
I'm telling you, Quill, C-53 is the trailer park of the galaxy. Fun fact, that bounty Yondu put out is how me and Groot met Quill.
I'm just glad I talked you out of collecting it.
I am unfamiliar with this Kree.
I've heard of this guy. He's part of a private army called the Lethal Legion.
What is it with you Humies and your stupid names?
AWOL. Then who is running Nova Corps?
We already know your girlfriend works here, Quill.
Channeling your Nova Force. A comprehensive guide to meditate.
Attention away team. Please ensure your helmet cams are in full operation.
What?
Let me get this straight. She became a teapot? That's what my source said.
Amazing.
All right, let's take a look.
Wow, super riveting, Quill. And to think we could still be reading my criminal record.
Please do not. I still do not understand how the Churchman's ship exploded. The Nova Corps is known for their security protocols.
Gotta be something.
Hey, isn't that...
The mining ship we explored in the quarantine zone, yeah.
When's the footage from?
Signal stronger. We must be close.
How close?
Hard to say. It's too much interference.
Centurion Corral. Found something.
Hey, what are you...
Watch out!
Clark!
She went in after we left.
Flark. That thing. You don't think...
It is the creature that devoured our monster.
Could have been a million things. I mean, it's restricted space for a reason.
No, you're a Lotus Scud. That thing's got nothing to do with us.
That gem Corell picked up. I think it's the same one we shot in the quarantine zone.
We? You're the one who shot it.
Fine, the gem I shot. The point is that shadow thing came out of it. We did this.
The quarantine zone's a giant death trap. So we released a shadow thing. We made it out, didn't we? Your stupid girlfriend probably did too.
You've been saying the whole time she's probably dead.
Probably alive, probably dead, whatever. Important thing is, we're all fine.
Corell is tough. If anyone made it out, it's her. I know it.
Guardians of the Galaxy. You misread our intentions.
No, you've made them pretty clear.
Sometimes sacrifices
I had to check.
Groot, write the stars.
Grand Unifier. Breaker. Right? First, let me just say it's really cool that you've heard of us, right, guys? And it's cool that you didn't try to kill us just then, especially with your two pals right there. Could have totally ripped us apart the moment you walked in, which we obviously all appreciate. But also, we've kind of got a few questions, like...
Where are Centurion Corell and her daughter? You came here seeking truth. Rejoice. The matriarch wishes to share it with you.
Okay, that is really not cool.
What do you mean he's not picking up?
Come! The matriarch awaits.